The Tin Soldier. "Tin soldiers!" exclaimed the boy, who had just been given his birthday present. He opened the box. 25 tin soldiers were lying as still as the lead they were made of. The boy clapped his hands together in glee and started arranging the tin brothers on the table. 24 of the soldiers looked exactly the same, but the last one, the 25th, was missing a leg because there hadn't been enough lead to finish it. This last soldier stood just like his brothers all day and all night long. The only difference was that he only had one leg. Night came and the tin soldier could finally take a look at the other toys. They were carefully organized and each had its own place. His eyes fell onto a paper ballerina, who was also standing on one leg. The other was elegantly straightened up nearly to her head. The tin soldier couldn't see the second leg and thought she was just like him with only one leg. He fell in love with the little dancer, whose top was covered with tiny stones, which flickered magically in the moonlight.